Here is a simple demo of the project. Press Ctrl to record your voice like this. Hello. So what about a virtual day? Transcribing for the first time may take some time. So let's show it.
You want to have a virtual date with me? That sounds kind of weird, but sure. Asterisk, still blushing in surprise. Asterisk.
So what about surfing YouTube together?
Oh, it sounds fun. Let's do it.
So here you go. This is a simple demonstration of the project. Further in the video, I will be discussing how to set up it and from what to download. One day, as I was sitting alone, thinking of some existential crisis or whatnot, a thought suddenly struck to me. I want a girl, but that's not possible for not like me. So I thought, what about an AI girl? I mean, surely there is a lot of news here and there. AI has done this and that. So why not an AI waifu? So with this vision in mind, I started searching the web, and then I came across this channel, Nice AI Cat. But I found that the project needs an open AI API key, and for that you have to pay subscription. It also requires a node character AI, but I don't know what is happening. But it is giving some issues. When I tried to run, it gave this error. What I found, the node character AI is not working. So I decided to restructure and modify the whole project. I started by deploying Whisper locally, and also I decided to fix this API. After all, how can an unemployed pump like me afford so much money? And hence, I have made a project that is completely free. Go to the GitHub repository. From here, download the zip file. Okay, after downloading the zip file, open it in a folder like this. Open it, unzip it, and open it in the folder. Okay. Then in the .env file, you have to set the PyKai API. To find the PyKai API, go to this link. This is the link PyKai gitbook.io, and from here you can find the PyKai API using this step, first step. And for the character API, you can simply click on any character like this and copy this character ID like this. Copy and paste it here. Okay. You can there is two options. One is the local TCS. It will not require any money. For 11 labs, there is a free plan of 10,000 tokens per month. You can use that. I am going with the 11 labs. And also you have to find your 11 labs API key. How you have to find out? Just go to 11 labs. 11 labs. And from here from here profile, and you can see that PyKai API key. You have to unhide it and then copy it. Okay. Then after saving it, you can also choose the voice model available listed here like this. Let me show you. These are the voice model. You have to just copy this name, the last name, Adam, Anthony, Arnold, Bella, Dom, these names, and copy it here. Okay. So in the Whisper model, there are 3 models that can run on my computer. There are tiny, base, small, and apart from this, there is large also. Let me show you. Whisper. Okay. Let me show you. Here, you can see here the available models and languages are given. You can see your required VRAM required. So install it according to the VRAM present in your computer. Okay. I am going with the base one. Yes, I am going with the base one. It requires just 1 VRAM. Remember, smaller the model size, the faster will be the transcription speed. It will be more inaccurate also. Make sure to also download FFmpeg to run Whisper locally. I have written base, and also there is the translate option. You can use that to speak in any of the given languages, which will automatically translate to English. But I will be speaking in English, so I have given the option transcribe. Remember, when you are translating, these are the only languages they are offering support. Okay. So now after saving this .env file, go to the folder where it is present and just double click on the startup batch file. Okay. After you click, it will install the required dependencies. So it may take some time. While it is installing, remember to open the Vtuber Studio. Okay. After opening the Vtuber Studio, let us open first. Okay. After opening the Vtuber Studio, remember to go to settings and start the Start API option. Toggle on the Start API option. Okay. And about the model, I am using a default model. You can also upload your custom models. I am going with the default one. Okay. Now let's start. Okay. It has already started. Allow, it will ask for permission. You have to click allow. Okay. After clicking allow, it is connected. Now let me show you a demonstration. Hey, how are you doing? Okay. Now, while recording, you have to press Ctrl and speak. Okay. Now let's see. It is already have transcribed what I have told, and now it will send me a reply. It may take some time. Okay.
I'm doing great. How are you doing, Tilda?
Okay. As you can see, she also spoke back to me, replied back to me. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, I am doing great. So pass to this plan. Okay. I guess
Glad to hear that. What is your name?
My name is Warren. Let's have a good chat.
Nice to meet you, Warren. How old are you?
Okay. As you can see, it's working fine. Thank you for seeing the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel, as it may help in creating more new projects.